Welcome back! Today on Dialed In DIY, I'm recycling some stuff that you might find left over in a lunchbox and making some cool toys. So I wanted to make some things that rolled fast and some things that shot across the room. So these two projects that I'm about to walk through accomplish both of those even better than I had hoped for, and each has a lot of options for modification. Yeah, these were launching pretty far. And once we started stomping them with our feet, they really shot far and hard. And we've been having a lot of fun with them. Hey, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to stop by Dialed In DIY to check out my video on Lunchbox leftovers, making some fun toys out of potential trash. If you found this appetizing, or at least got a little something out of it, let me know by clicking that thumbs up below. And while you're here, please subscribe and ring the bell to get future notifications on videos that are upcoming. And make sure to come on back because there'll be plenty more Dialed In DIY to come.